Good day, everyone. Welcome to this special Zoom session brought to you by Archita, your growing community of future architects, mentors, and passionate learners. We're excited to have you here as part of our membership community guide introduction. Before we start, I would like to introduce myself. I am Kevin Castillo Tegupa. I am the creator of Architalk, and I'll be your host for today. In this session, we'll walk you through what it truly means to be an official Architalk member, from exclusive access to content, events, and mentorship, or to how your points and engagement can earn your rewards and a spot on our top notchers leaderboard. Whether you're new or already active in the community, this guide will help you maximize your membership as stay updated on everything Architalk has in store for you. So please, until the end of this session, as well also answering question and giving a quick tour of our ongoing and upcoming events. And don't forget, this is your chance to clarify, to connect, and commit to make the most out of your architect journey. So let's build, let's grow, and let's thrive together. So, first thing is, what is Architalk? So, Architalk is a safe space to speak, to learn, and to grow in architecture. It is an interactive Zoom-based talk series and student engagement platform designed for architecture students and also to aspiring architects. It serves as a safe, open, and empowering space where aspiring architects can ask questions, can share experiences, and can learn directly from mentors, peers, guest speakers, and other people that would help you to grow in the field of architecture. Whether you're struggling with your plates, unsure about your direction, or preparing for thesis and the board, Architect is for you. So in my experience, or based on my experience, why I created this platform. So as what I've mentioned from the past session, so this platform, dugay na nako ni ginaplan to create it. Since then, nagahelp na ko og mga students, like a fellow students, a fellow classmates, or more like sa mga lower years na ako. So, to help it na ma mas ma-amplify ang akong voice to help them, help the need of being an architecture student is I want to create a platform na mag-amplify sa akong cause. Yan na. So, this platform is a free. So, anyone can join, especially the first year. So, gusto kong ma-help mo na ako sa inyong journey sa gipili ninyong course. Since architecture is not, dili jud siya kuan, di siya dali. I mean, tanan man kurso pod, dili man jud dali. So wala bisan asa pa kay batang, but architecture is one of the hardest courses in the world. So dili basta-basta nga mosulod lang ka ani kay because of it is trend siya, or tungod kay kabalo lang ka mo drawing, since ang ingon nila is architecture is drawing lang daw, but totally not. So this platform would help you to grow, would would help you to thrive along your journey. So para siyang an para siyang para siyang a school, an institution, but it's a family. It's a community lang. It's a community na if may problems sa inyong mga plates, sa inyong mga exams, or even sa isa ka subjects, we can help. We can lend our help to help you na mas masabtan ninyo, mas lenient para sa inyo ha, good, or mas easier para sa inyo ha, na masabtan ng isa ka thing, isa ka instruction, or isa ka plate or project nga gihatag sa inyo ha. So it's like something a mentorship, something like that. So since this is the first time na mag mag-create ko og platform like this, and since then, sa ako pang ginaingon, nag-help na jud ko. So, more focus to siya sa design, thesis, mentorship, or consultations. But now, mas gi-amplify na ako, mas gi-widen na ako ang scope na mas better nga mo-focus ta sa pinaka roots kung asa jud mag-start of being an architecture student. So, mas better nga as fresh year or our first year freshman, maka-join na mo, makultivate na mo, and we will see if what's happened sa ato ang pag-cultivate. So, it's just like a plan. You need to cultivate enough ang roots na naigi strong foundation. It's like a building also. So, that's why, yun, it's like no matter what challenges naapay different moabot nga struggle sa inyo personal man, or where it came sa challenges sa school, sa academic. So if you are strong enough, if your roots was strong enough, bisan unsa pa na ang i-throw sa imuha, like stand gyapon ka, stand firm, and yun, like this platform will help you talaga. So let's see if you will join, or you are interested in the different designs of the community in this channel or in this platform. So it is part of the core activities under the KCT Mentorship Studio, where active participation and consistent engagement can open doors to exclusive mentorship opportunities, access to special learning sessions, and eligibility to join the KCT Art Quiz. This is a competitive quiz bee where top-notchers can win special awards and a free mentorship privilege. So, something like Architalk and KCT Mentorship Studio, parang it's a collab. Yung KCT Mentorship Studio is established na siya. So, it's like a siguro nasa 2 year established na siya nga platform. But it is more focused on consultation and mentoring mga thesis students. Kasi so, it's since mas giwiden na ako ang platform, mas giwiden ako ang scope, nag-focus ta karon sa inyuha jud sa first years, incoming first year. So, it's like a collab na once you join in this architect, there's a lot of privileges, there's a lot of opportunities na mag-help sa inyo to grow. So these activities, these participations, um, this will lead you, if you want to pursue, to being a scholar. So something that scholarship is like a free mentorship privileges. So dira na ka mag-start to wonder, dira na ka mag-start to thrive on your own hands, your own skills, and your own knowledge if unsaon nimo pag-succeed sa imong goal. So parang it's like if naa ka sa school, you want to achieve things. Like gusto ka makapasar sa nana, gusto ka malaude, gusto ka ma, ma, ma Dean's Lister. So, isa na na. So, this platform, para siyang a advantage sa imuha to get that kind of goals. So, advantage siya sa imuha na maka-add siya, additional siya sa imuha para sa imo to grow. So, just like that na, kuan, na process. So, as we mentioned about KCT Top Notcher, so being a KCT Top Notcher will receive a scholarship. It is a free mentorship with one of the top architecture mentors and will join the KCT mentorship community to help you guide in your architecture journey. So this is an award or this is a parang a competition in the architect na once kinsay makadaog, kinsay ma-chose as a scholar for the whole academic year, he or she has a free mentorship. So all subjects that he wants, nag-struggle siya ani, she can, parang priority siya, priority ka. So, next. Privileges. So top performers may receive free mentorship, exclusive learning privileges, recognition, and other special rewards to honor their excellence. Because in KCT, your achievement will be valued. Once selected, you'll gain access to KCT exclusive mentoring tracks, learning circles, and projects and mentoring, solid support networks of future architects, and free mentorship privilege for all of your architecture journey valid for one academic year. So as what I've said, these are the privileges once you get the title of being a KCT top notcher. So next, it personalized mentoring from seniors, top architecture students, and high-performing alay passers. So plate critic sessions, conceptual guidance, and design feedback. So if naamoy mga plates, you can ask your mentor if gusto mo magpa-critic to help you na once ninyo isubmit sa academy ay sa inyong professor. So parang na nakita na if unsay mga needs and need to improve needs or mga dapat naa sa isa ka plate nimo ana, at least well prepared na once na nasubmit na nimo ana good. So there's kuan man good kanang once an architecture student parang murag wala murag najay part nga parang wala kay believe sa imong self. So that's why dili jud ka mabuhay kung ikaw ra mag-inusara. So mas better dagan ka og connections, like something like that. So you should build connections dili lang sa imong ka-batchmate, mas better nga naa kay mga connections sa imong seniors. So like this platform will help you talaga mas napaduol ang platform for you since need dapat yun na nimo. So natay mga doubts sa atong mga self na tama ba ni akong ginubuhat or sa may mali ani or okay na ba ni, tama na ba ni ana. So daghan tag mga questions. So in this, if if ma-achieve na nimo for being a KCT top notcher, parang mas linyat na sa imuha, mas dali na sa imuha. And once that feedback from a senior or from the mentor, mas mapa-improve pa ka ana. So as day goes by sa imong along the journey, 'di ba, mas determined na ka, mas wala na imong doubt kay since natagaan na kag tips, natagaan na kag ideas na personal talaga, parang ikaw talaga yung VIP. Ikaw talaga yung special priority once na you are a KCT top notcher. So because at KCT Mentorship Studio, you're not just preparing for your graduation or your board exam. You are becoming the architect you were born to be. So, for along the privileges, also mga peer learning groups, then mga simulations, mga lectures, and review strategies along the way, ng mga motivation talks, preparation, or your mga consultation guidance for thesis. So, since mag-level up ka, next ka in your second year, third year, and fourth year, along the way, ma-explore na to, ma-explore na ninyo. So, this is the architect structure and stages. So, architect is the entry point for all new members. This includes your membership registration. So, the membership registration is free. Wala ko'y pangayoon sa inyo bisag piso, bisag kung sa pana. It's all your will lang talaga na mo participate, mo join if you are willing. So parang this is an opportunity for you talaga. So yun, this is the structure na once you are a member, you have the access to Zoom sessions and community updates. So mas mas on hand mo, mas kamo ang priority if official members na mo. Then, participation in program and talks. So, dili mo basta-basta na yung mga sessions na dili mo basta-basta makasulod or maka-join if dili mo official member. So, ang priority jud, exclusive jud siya sa mga official member for Architalk. Gibuhat na ko ni, bisa pag moingon ko nga open siya and free, but gusto ko na the member should commit. Like, na uban nga kanang kuan lang ba, lumalabay lang like ana good. So, like diri kunang syempre i-help ta mo mag-grow as a person, as an architecture jud na inyong unsa inyong gipili karon nga course. So, I help you to grow. So, gusto ko nga sorry. Gusto ko nga mag-commit jud mo. Fully dedicated in yung heart, in yung mind, dapat ready jud mo. So, dili ko gusto og kanang basta na lang ni present karon pagka pila ka sessions wala na. So, I want to track your participation, your engagement. That's why I want na membership registration kay at the middle part along this journey i i-stop na ko ang membership so para ma-focus na ta sa atong mga official members. So, yun. Since since along the way, namoy mga kuan na mga perks or mga needs for being an official member. Ana. So, participation in advanced session, quizzes, mentorship programs, points and ranks begin accumulating. So, this is to motivate members of Architalk na mag-participate dyan. So naay points, naay ranking in the leaderboard. Later, ato nang ma ibawan. So renewal is required every academic year. So renewal is not a lifetime. So every academic year, pagkaabot ninyong second year, if you want to join again, so pa-member lang yapon mo. Kay if your batch will be success, being the first year, so na ako'y another batch na naman nga first year to the next na i-open sa ila. But kamo as first batch, as mo second year, remain gyapon. So lahi na pud nga mga activities, lahi na pud nga mga sessions more focus na sa inyong year as second year. So sa ila parang balik na pod sa unsa mo, asa mo nag-start, ana. So parang along the way mag-grow jud atong community. Ana, like something like magtinabangay ta, let's work together na to our common goal. So, our first goal. So if you are a member of Architect, your first goal is to be on the Legion of the KCT Top Notchers. So these KCT top-notchers is not only one, not only two, or not only three. There are many KCT top-notchers. So mo na ang goal, to be on the spot, to be on the podium of being a KCT top-notcher. Kay mas dira jud ang pinaka dako og perks nga inyong madawat. Inyong dili man siya cash, but it will help you along the way on your architecture journey. So, nga na. So your performance, your progress, your ranking. All active members will be ranked on an official leaderboard based on the performance on various activities. All points will be recorded, tallied, and updated regularly. So in Architect community, this is the launch of the official leaderboard system designed to recognize the most dedicated, consistent, and outstanding architecture student. So in this platform, parang valued jud every effort, every participation, engagement. So dapat show up jud mo always, participate jud mo always. Like it will help you talaga. Dili man siya nga makahatag sa inyo og burden, but nasa inyong will. Ana pod, wala pod dili pod siya dili siya pugsanay, but all your participation is valued. So naay corresponding points na ni imong ma-earn. And at the end of that, at the end of the year, naatay goal. So para motivated na tanan. Motivated mo na mo join on dili lang basta ni attend lang mo sa isa ka session na gusto lang ninyo or feel lang ninyo. So it's all about the journey pod na inyong maagihan. So how it works. All active members will be ranked based on a point system that tracks your quiz scores in the R quiz, Kahoot, and all many quizzes during lectures and sessions. So during the sessions, there's a mga quizzes. So mga Kahoot, like R quiz and mini quizzes during the lecture. So these na ay mga corresponding points, na corresponding um grade nga ma-add sa inyo ang leaderboard. Activity participation, design competition and project submissions, engagement and contribution during session. So, in activity participation, there's a lot of activities per sessions or per agenda. So, participate lang mo, namoy reward, namoy points na makuha if ma-record ang inyong participation. Design competitions and project submissions. So, dili ni siya kanang magpa kuan lang ko exclusive sa inyong members, sa members lang. So like for example, naamoy exam plate sa inyong design subjects or sa inyong visual communication subjects. So ang buhaton lang nato is i-submit lang ninyo ang inyong work sa dire sa Architalk and we will judge it. Then parang it's like a competition gyapon. That's para along your kanang pagbuhat pa ninyo sa kadtong nga plate or kadtong nga submission is 'di ba like maningkamot na jud mo nga ninduto ninyo and eager jud mo nga not totally nga matagaan pud mo og grado sa inyong subject, but in this participation pod napod mo goal. So everything talaga, your effort will be valued talaga. So top performing students will given the recognition as KCT Scholars, Certificate of Excellence, priority access to mentorship opportunities, and a chance to receive the free KCT mentorship slot exclusive of resources and more. So this is the point system. So for your participation, attending Zoom session, art quiz, contest, and other events, namoy points na nga madawat as 1,000 points will earned. So every mag-attend lang ka og Zoom, magpa-register lang ka og Zoom, and mo show up ka sa Zoom, yun. Ma-record na na kay 1,000 points. Engagement and contribution. 1 point per minute added based on the total duration you stayed in the Zoom room. So there is a bonus point for the engagement. So for example, nag-attend kag session, tapos naghulat jud ka until the end. So all the duration per minutes, for example, al in that session na ay 350 minutes. Ana. So all the 350 points, since wala jud ka naghawa, kana, it will be added on your points. So sa engagement points yan. So next is plate submissions. So mag-submit lang kag plates na ay 3,000 points. Kahoot scores. So in Kahoot scores, all scores per round will be recorded and added to the point system. So these Kahoot scores, so usually our quiz, mga sessions, and pag pag pili og KCT top notcher. So inga na. So naay mga area 1, area 2, area 3 na focus on the different um priority subjects sa architecture. So mo na tong focusan. So all the scores will be recorded on the Kahoot. So mo na siya. Maximum of 10 points per round, ay 10,000 points per round to 15,000 points. So event finalists, if you are a finalist of that specific game or specific competition, ano, so there's a additional multiplier and earned rank points. So magdepend ni siya, parang pinaka minimum is 2,000 points. Parang if event finalist na ka, masulod na ka na kay 2,000 points. Lahi pa jud ang mga additional multiplier. That additional multiplier is based on your ranks, ana. If at the end of that game, pila ka, ikapila ka, tapos lahi pa jud i-multiply siya sa multiplier na ma-earn nimo, ana siya. So additional points gyapon siya. And declare the top 1 KCT top notcher. So all of you would goal talaga nga matap 1 talaga para not jud tay aim. Ana. So nana mo'y 20,000 points. But if dili mo matap 1, kana siya. Correspondence na dahil na siya sa inyong earn nga rank points. Ana. So all accumulated points to your leaderboard rank. Okay. Why does consistency matter? Just like in the movie Bet, it's not always about who's the most talented from the start, but who keeps showing up, keeps improving, and keeps proving that they want it more. So if naka-watch na mo og Bet sa Netflix nga movie, ay nga series, so it's like something like this. Ang dito lang kay kuan lang to siya. Kanang sugal-sugal lang to siya. Pero there's a lesson man gud na makuha nato ato. So something ingana ang concept nga gi-apply nato diri na it will help you talaga to achieve what you want to achieve. So as a member, as an official member, mag-goal jud mo nga masulod mo sa leaderboard kay mas tagaan sila og space na dili man maghawd-hawd but tagaan sila og more opportunities, more priority nga mamamentoran sila. So that's why mo goal jud ka nga ma-case top notcher jud ka. Parang ganyan. Aside ana, mo goal pug ka nga masulod pug ka sa top finalist para the more chances nga mas mapaduol ka makuha ang goal nimo for being a KCT top notcher. Parang inga na. So it's not enough to join once and disappear. Real growth happens through commitment, discipline, and consistency. So in this leaderboard, every session counts, every quizzes matters, and every effort pushes you forward. So if nakakay isa lang nga wala na attend, parang advantage na siya. Parang ganyan. So, something na, parang it's like a saying na, study while the others are sleeping. So, take advantage. So, it's like something kala nga idea, i-apply na to sa diri So, if absent ka, advantage, present always. Nag-show always. Ano, dili man mag-matter nga ikaw ang pinaka-bright. Dili mag-matter kung ikaw ang pinaka-hawd. Dili jud. Ang what matters most is nag-show up ka on that particular thing, wala ka ni-give up, wala ka nag-ulaw-ulaw, and you are always present. Kay you want it na mag-grow ka, mag-move forward ka. So something like that. It's a commitment talaga. So along the journey, along the way, ma-realize na ninyo pod nga ang mga nadaog, ang mga nakuan na natagaw ng award, dili pod sila katong mga always nakadaog kay bright sila. No, it's not like that. So it's strategies on how you survive. Dili lang diri apat, ma-apply ninyo siya sa inyong real life or sa inyong real journey jud as being architecture student. So, for Ali Art Quiz Battle, sa tagan lang tamog idea, nahitabo na ni siya, ongoing na sa katong mga first naka-registered as official member. So, tagan lang tamog idea nga this will kanang apply to the different part pod sa mga competition or activities. So mag-pick of 10 finalists based on the leaderboard score on the Kahoot. And that 10 will be joined to compete again for the KCT Top Notcher. Parang salaon mo. So, para na, after another game for that specific game for the Legion of the Top Notcher talaga. Parang ganyan. It's like, kung ano jud mo, if mo show up lang mo dili lang kay kaisa, but mo show up mo kay eager jud mo sa inyong goal. Eager jud mo nga mahimong KCT Top Notcher. So parang ganyan. So after the championship, all participants score, including the finalists and the top notcher, will be updated in the KCT leaderboard. So once na ma-KCT leaderboard, top notcher ka, doesn't mean na dira na mag-end. Like, yes, human ako, di na akong participate kay KCT, kung ako na free, no. It's not like that. Updated tanan ang scores. So, if maabsa na mo, if makuha na mo sa other nga mga priority students, so, parang sila ang matagaan na pod og kuan, priority. Parang like that. Like, it's an advantage lang sa imuha. Matagaan lang kang specific score, pero wala na ka naga-attend og sessions, wala naga-participates sa mga activities, ganyan. So, maunhan ka sa uban. Makuha imong slot, makuha imong spot, parang ganyan. So, like it continuous gihapon, parang nga na. So, it's like in real life good gihapon nga dili gihapon ka magpagkumpiyansa. Nga na. Okay. So, for our recent Architalk Art Quiz Championship round, so nanatay mga winners last night. So, in August 1, 2025, nagpahigayon mi sa Art Quiz Championship round. And these are the top scorer for the 3 rounds. There's a easy, moderate, and difficult round. So along all the scores, along all the points that they earned on Kahoot game, the first prize or the first placer is Espino, si Lance Espino. The second is April Grino. And the third, si Maria Jana Samantha de Gala. And the runners-up are Shabrine de la Cruz and Anika Arellano. So for their scores, makita dyan na to nga mga competitive dyan sila. And dako dyan ang potential, di ba? Kuan pala gani ni. Ang coverage is architecture licensure examination nga mga subjects, focus subject. But bisag man yung ay layo pa man tong ale. No. That particular subjects and lessons, prepared na sila, well prepared na sila, advanced na sila sa pagsulod nila sa or pag-face nila ana nga subject. Na sila idea nga, okay, this is the subject pala. This is the kuan pala. Kay, yun, as early as now, that platform or that game will help them na advantage kaysa sa uban nga wala naka-appeal. Parang ana. So, with this podium, since ang being a KCT top notcher is only top one, but based on their average or their percentage nga nakuha, mo to, the top three podium kay gihirang sila as first KCT top notcher. So they will join the Wall of Fame for the KCT Legion top notchers. So since dili ba mag-end, 'di ba? Dili mag-end ang ilang journey, ilang spot. So mapulihan sila if dili sila magtinarong after ana, 'di ba? So these people, these members, nana sila yung advantage and nana sila sa Wall of Fame as being a KCT Legion top notchers. So not only one, not only two, but there's many along the way. So nagbutang lang kog 10 and other 10 participants. So wala lang, wala pa ta kabalo if pila jud. But yun, let's see. So at least si Espinos, si Megrino, si Degala, na sila spot. So i-maintain na nila ilang momentum and they have a privilege for a free mentorship for all their architectural journey as long as ma-maintain nila ilang spot. Ana lang. So, yun. I hope na everyone inyong mga faces mabutang diri ah. So, that's why para natay goal. So, if mapansin ninyo na ay 5 ka girls na ay 5 ka boys. So, it's not specific talaga. So, pila pa na ka girls, ihurot pa na ninyo girls, isa ra ang boy, or ang next nga mga kadaog is mga boys. So, ingat na. Dili siya mag-matter. Nagbutang lang ko specific lang identification na mo na ay mga next pa nga mga top notchers nga moabot on the different events and the different sessions nato along the way ana. So please participate mo, please contribute, put your heart, your willingness para mag-join, para mo participate and engage sa different sessions nato. So to add, as the Legion Top Notchers and year-end awards para motivated jud ta. The top Legion KCT Top Notchers of each academic year will continue earning points until their year end and receive the Medallion of Excellence. So once na ma-KCT sila, na sila ay Medallion of Excellence along at the end of the year. So, dili ra pud dira mag-stop ang ilahang journey, ilang path. So, they will compete for the overall top Legion performers of the batch, who will be awarded for a surprise prizes. So dili pa na nato ma-reveal karon, but along the way i-reveal na nato. Recognition in closing ceremonies. But other members who did not qualify for being a top notchers will given a chance to compete for the final standing deliberation. So dili mo na ako i-closean og doors. Since there's a saying kasi na dili, like if ma-fail mo first attempt ninyo, second attempt mo, dili dira ma-close ang inyong journey. Padayon gyapon mo. So katong mga padayon gyapon kay naa goal na tagaan ta mong chance for a final standing deliberation to be part of the top 3 Legion performers of the batch. So there's a chance gyapon. So surprise prizes, recognition, and closing ceremonies. Okay. So for the graduating candidates, so napay graduating candidates di ay, okay. Since, for example, balik ta. For example, if you graduated, or I know, if nahuman mo sa first year, tapos, mo proceed, mo second year na mo. So, all your points will be recorded talaga. It will be banked on your batch specific na batch. So, ma-store siya dito once na mag-join gyapon ka sa second year, another na naman po siya back to zero. So your points from the first year will be recorded along the years coming by until mo graduate ka. So if mo both sa part na you are a Latin honor recipient and a candidates, so you are an architect member talaga, you will receive an exceptional merit award with cash prizes, with internship opportunities also after you graduate. So mas tabangan mo asa mo makasulod sa inyong apprenticeship, mga better nga opportunity, better nga firm nga to help you grow, so di natin alam, di ba? So soon, parang it's like a motivation pa rin nga join gyapon ka every year para kuha gyapon nimo, it's not dili naman pud ni para sa amo, para sa ako, para jud ni para sa inyo. So it help you talaga na maging competitive enough ka, not competitive enough, not na makigkompi ka sa imong kapwa students, but compy to your goals on what you want to achieve. So let's work together, 'di ba? So all points earned from your first year membership until you graduate in UM Architecture will be recorded and sum up. So is from first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, is sum up na tanan and will determine the final Legion leaderboard top 10 of the said batch. So on your batch there's a name. So mo jud na inyong dadon nga name nga batch along the way. So there's a final 10, top 10 will receive a free KCT Scholarship Mentor Review for Architecture Licensure Examination and other surprises awards, an Excellence Award with cash prizes and career-related opportunities, and a free review materials from past board exam, mock boards, Quizlets, and other PDFs related to ALE. So, these perks will help you talaga ma-prepare mo. Kay naay goal sa Architalk ng mga members. Our ultimate goal talaga, first is to be a regular architecture student and will graduate on time. Tanan jud ta, and all of you talaga mo goal nga makagraduate jud mo on time. Not para sa inyong self, but para sa inyong family, sa mga tao nga naga-support sa inyo, ha, 'di ba? So mo jud na pinaka best nga once nga makagraduate kag regular, parang achievement na dyan na. So, mo dyan na pinaka una na to i-goal. And next is to be a Latin honor graduate. So, not everyone mag-goal man ana. Pero it's a bonus na nga ma-Latin honor graduate ka. Being a summa cum laude, magna cum laude, and na cum laude is a bonus points na talaga na. So, that's our second ultimate goal. And for architecture licensure examination, so let's look forward na in ALE 2032 or 2033 onwards, we will produce a historic top 10 top-notchers swept led by UM architecture graduates and architect member graduates, di ba? Grabe kay ni ka-historic if pag-abot sa ALE, pag-take niyo sa inyong batch, gihurot niyo tanan og top 10. Wala mo'y gipasulod nga laing school, tanan gihurot sa University of Mindanao architecture students, 'di ba? Amazing kayo ni. So parang this kayo jud murag kamo ang magdala nga batch na yun, to be well prepared talaga, ana. So this will make a milestone and history together. So this is not for us, this is not for me. Gitagabangan ta mo nga mo achieve o greater heights on that podium. So para po ni sa inyo, ha, is not all about sa ako, para po ni sa inyo, ha, para sa inyong parents. So as early as now, as early as you are a first year, i-cultivate na ta mo. That's why this is the reason why I created this platform. Okay. So your batch is will name Sick Lab. the first spark that ignited the flame. So in Batch Club remarks, the inaugural pioneers of the architect community, a bold group of dreamers, doers, and future architects who dared to take the first step. As the first batch, you carried the fire of curiosity, the courage to ask, and the passion to lead. Like a spark that lights the torch, Batch Siklav ignites a chain of inspiration for the generation to follow. Your participation sets the foundation for mentorship, growth, and a thriving culture of shared learning within the architecture journey. You're not just attendees, you are trailblazers, visionaries, and the heart of a movement that will continue to grow, and your energy will fuels your future. Mula sa Siklab, sisindi ang apoy ng UM Arkitektura. So that's our motto for your batch. Mula sa Siklab, sisindi ang apoy ng UM Arkitektura. Kaya unsa atong goal? Yun, balik ta dere. 'Di ba? So, if you are interested to join for this batch, yun, if you really want to rise, don't just play. So you should commit. Let your name climb not just in scores, but in determination, your growth, and your grit. This is more than a leaderboard. This is your architecture journey in motion. So start as early as now as first year, mas better cultivated na mo. Mas better gi tagaan na mo og value. Gi tagaan na mo og platform para sa inyo naman po ni. So, the leaderboard rankings will be posted regularly on the Architect channel. So, stay active, stay sharp, and make your mark on the leaderboard. Let the real architecture grind begin. So, if you really want to rise, that's what I've said, no, na this is more than a leaderboard talaga. So, become an official member of an architect, be a part of something big. So, sa mga interested along sa atong discussion karon, if na-interested mo join, please fill up the membership form nga if you're on the GC sa architect nga general. So, na-post ko dito og form, and please, as of now na talaga, kay this month i-close na nato, or maybe on your middle part sa this month, if makastart na mag classes, dili ko gusto manggod nga i-close na nako karon, kay gusto ko na if mag-start na mo silang classes, syempre napa may uban nga mga taong wala pa kabalo sa atong platform. So I want you to convince them na mag-join if they are kanang naay potential talaga. Parang nga na good. So para yun, di pa na ako i-close. Manang mas better karon matagaan na slot daan kay basig if daghan na pud kayo mo maka-decide ni nga i-close na ang membership kay mo di na pud makaya o kuan tanan, cater tanan. So as early as now, pag-join na mo guys. So become an official member of Architalk and be part of something big. Secure your spot in our events, leaderboard, and exclusive perks. So sign up now for free lang jud, free. And let's build the dream together. So free jud siya guys. All I want is your participation lang jud. Your participation, your engagement mo lang jud na akong murag gusto jud murag mao lang jud na inyong mahatag nga sa ako, or murag akong pangayoon sa inyo ha. Ana nga inyong mahatag sa ako inyong engagement jud, inyong participation jud. So please subscribe sa ato YouTube channel, Architalk. So this is the channel. So Architalk QM. So nag-make ko ani kay once na mag-start na ang classes, if sa atong mga Zoom meetings, not everyone maka-join. So para maka-upload ko anytime sa mga videos, mga tutorials, mga sessions na to, dili na ko i-upload sa atong YouTube channel para ma-access dayon sa uban. But yun, tagaan ta mo og restriction nga dapat ang maka-access is ang mga official members lang. Pero na yung mga uban videos na dili man gid na pod nato mapugos ang uban, so na yung mga uban videos na ma-upload for public, ganyan. Pero mas better talaga if you are an official members, exclusive na yung mga exclusive, mga unlisted na mga videos, mga playlist na para sa inyo ha. So, mas better na mo join na jud mo to become an official. So please like, subscribe, don't forget to like and subscribe the Architalk channel on YouTube for stay updated with the new session, tips, exclusive content made for your architectural journey. Let's grow this community together, one video at a time. Click the bell icon so you won't miss a thing. So that's all guys, and I hope na maka-join mo sa mga wala pa naka-join. I hope sa katubong mga naka-join na, I hope na mag-convince mo sa uban. Convince niyo ang uban na mag-join sila diri kay it's a great Jude. It's a great platform. It's a it's a blessed na opportunity na naingani. Because sa uban, I don't know if na mga ingani nga mga platform. So, yun. See you around guys and have a good day. Thank you for your time watching this session.